Whether your Porsche has port fuel injection or is direct injected, proper fuel injector function is critical to ensure optimal performance and maximize the longevity of your Porsche engine. Using top-tier premium fuel is the first step you can take to keep your fuel injectors clean. However, this isn't enough. Regular use of a complete fuel system cleaner containing polyetheramine, or PEA, at least every 2,000 to 3,000 miles will ensure optimal fuel injector cleanliness and function. Another consideration is the proliferation of ethanol-enriched fuels, with E10 and in some places, E15 being the norm. Even in models like the Boxster and 996 that were designed to run fuels with up to 10% ethanol, it is not uncommon to see degradation of fuel system components due to this increased ethanol content. Driven Injector Defender contains PEA and keeps your fuel injectors clean while providing protection against damage caused by ethanol-enriched fuels. With any modern Porsche, it is possible to interrogate the ECU to observe fuel trim values, which are a good indicator of fuel system performance on your Boxster, Cayman, or 911. The reason why it's important to check fuel trim values is that if you have fuel injectors that are leaking or have poor fuel spray patterns or atomization, this can wash down cylinder bores of critical lubrication. Remember, fuel is not a lubricant, it is a solvent. Symptoms of a bad fuel injector or other fuel system related issues can include reduced performance, misfires, rough or erratic idle, smoking, or stalling. At this point, if you have a check engine light or any drivability issues, it's best to take your Porsche to an expert to be diagnosed and repaired as to prevent permanent engine damage. If you do not know the history of your Porsche, it is indeed possible to clean your fuel injectors without pulling them to be serviced. The easiest way to do this is to run a double dose of Injector Defender, and then use a single bottle with every fill-up until proper fuel injector function is restored. There is no harm in using Injector Defender at every fill-up. It is actually recommended for older Porsche models where modern ethanol-enriched fuels could have damaging effects on the engine. If your Porsche's fuel injectors are not functioning properly, sending them out to be rebuilt only ensures they are clean, don't leak at the time of testing, have proper spray patterns, and correct fuel delivery volume. Most experts recommend replacing faulty fuel injectors with brand new injectors rather than sending them out for cleaning or rebuilding. Lastly, Porsche's newest engines with direct fuel injection seem to have fewer injector-related issues. DFI systems have low and high-pressure fuel pumps to operate properly. It is the high-pressure fuel pumps that are most problematic with these direct injected Porsche models. Removal and replacement of fuel injectors on DFI-equipped Porsche engines can be difficult and costly, therefore, we do not recommend replacing them as part of preventative maintenance unless they are indeed confirmed faulty. If you are installing a new or rebuilt engine in your Porsche, replacing the old fuel injectors with brand new injectors is an absolute must. Dirty or bad injectors can wipe out a new engine in a matter of minutes in operation. The simplest way to prevent fuel system-related issues on your Porsche is by the regular use of top-tier fuel, a complete fuel system cleaner containing PEA, and replacement with brand new fuel injectors instead of cleaning and rebuilding the old fuel injectors.
Call or visit ellenengineering.com to learn more.